How to log in to JCPenney Credit Card account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into JCPenney Credit Card account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser. On your web browser, search for JCPenney Credit Card account. Hit enter. And there you should find the login option. If you don't find it, it's alright, just add login on this search bar. After that, you can then head over to this website, the first one that pops up, or by JCPenney itself. So you can go to either one, and this is not working right now, so I'll just cross this out, head over to accounts here. And after tapping on accounts, it should take me to Shrinkroni, where I can log in into my account. So let it load. While this loads, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now there we go. Now all you have to do is enter your user ID right here, whatever your user ID is, and then finally your password. After you enter your password, tap on secure login and you'll get logged in. It's that easy. You can also press on this remember user ID option to make your future login processes easier and smoother. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.